Hi friends, I am back with Vikram Betal's episode number 4. I am Sonakshi Priyadarshi Pradhan. So today's stories are The Old Man and the Horse Trader. So let's see what are the stories about. But before that, let's see what happens with the old man whom we have seen in the last episode. But first we'll recall what we have seen. The old man. The old man continued, "My sons are blind, but they are gifted. They will serve you well." The king was surprised. "How can this blind son of yours be any service to me?" So, the first story is the old man. So, we'll start from where we have stopped. That the old man said that, where the king said, "How can these blind sons of yours be any service to me?" So let's start. The old man replied, "Well, my eldest son is an expert judge of horses, and my younger son can test any kind of jewel." The amazed king said, "But they're blind. How do they perform their tasks?" The old man replied, "They rely on their senses of smell and touch, respectively, to do their jobs. If you ever find any of them giving wrong judgment, you may have them beheaded. You may also punish me after I have returned." The impressed king took the old man's word. He gave him 1,000 gold coins he asked for. He took the two blind sons into his service. So, the eighth story, the horse trader. Days went by. One day, a horse trader came to the court of the king to sell a horse to the king. The trader stated that the horse was of a good Arabian breed. He boasted that it was very faithful and a good runner. The king did not wish to buy the horse blindly, so he asked the blind son to check the horse. The blind son started examining the horse by touching and smelling. This made the horse trader furious. He exclaimed, "What a strange way of checking a horse! And how can a blind man examine a horse? You had better stop this. It is nothing but a waste of my time as well as that of the king's." But the blind son calmly said to the king, "Your Majesty, please do not buy this horse. It might hurt you when you ride it." But the trader was angry at hearing this. So friends, I want to say you that you can say me what improvements I can do in my videos, or if you you can write it in the comment box to help me, because I need your help. And if you also say me that you don't like Vikram Betal's and you want some craft videos or some cooking videos and anything else, please say me. I'll do that and I'll send that videos and I'll stop Vikram Betal. Or if you want, instead of Vikram Betal, Akbar, Birbal, anything else, or you want me to stop Vikram Betal, then after that also you can see me. Now let's see what happens next. So friends, I was not able to make the episode of the last Thursday and I have missed it out. So I am going to tell you 2 extra stories. And I'm very extremely sorry because you have to miss the story. But no, I will tell you extra stories because I thought that you may be a little bit sad of missing the last episode. So I have 2 extra stories. I have added the stories two extra more stories, and the stories are The Blind Son's Revelation and 10th, The Jeweler. So let's see what happens with the blind son next. I guess you are excited. So why do delay? So, the horse trader. Days went by. One day, a horse trader came to the court to sell a horse to the king. Sorry, I came back. Sorry for that, because I had some systemic problem. No, the blind son's revelation. The king, on the other hand, thought about the blind son. The blind son said that then he commanded, "Let a horse expert ride this horse." So an expert rider sat on the horse, but no sooner he did sit than the horse threw him back of its back. The horse trader was stunned. He exclaimed, "The horse never behaves like this with me." The blind son replied, "What you say is true, but the fact is that this horse does not harm any milkman. Why did you give up your profession?" The horse rider gasped and asked, "How did you know that I was a milkman previously?" The blind son replied, "I found this out by smelling your horse. I could make out that it was born in your house. You fed it on a buffalo's milk. Its parents were also owned by you." The trader left the court along with his horse, amazed at the blind son's revelation. So the 10th story, let's see what happens in the 10th story. The Jeweler. After a few days, a jeweler came to the king's court. He bought several precious stones and gems. The king liked a diamond. He gave it to the blind son. The blind son means the younger son of the old man, whom we have seen in the last episode, and asked him to examine it. The blind son examined the diamond. He rubbed it between his palms several times. Then he said to the king, Sir, the diamond is priceless, but it will be inauspicious for the one who wears it." The king asked the blind son, "Why do you say so?" The blind son replied, "Your Majesty, this diamond has taken the lives of at least members of the jeweler, two members of the jeweler's family." Hearing this, the jeweler felt ashamed of himself. He asked the king to forgive him. Then he left the court along with his gems and precious stones. A few days later, the old man came back. He paid the coins he had borrowed. Then he asked the king for his sons. So this story also finished. But though some of them must be excited, some of my viewers must be excited. So we'll see what's up next then. Up next, the king's justice. The blind son came, and as the three were leaving, the king asked the old man, "I have seen your talents. I have seen your son's talents. What is yours?" The old man replied, "I can tell the reality of a man." The king asked, "Whom am I?" "You are the son of and the king ordered them to be beheaded. So, I hope you're very excited because you must be thinking now that Sonakshi, what the old man said, that the king ordered them to be beheaded. But no, I can't say it now. I'll say it in the next episode. So, see you soon on next Friday at 9 pm. The time has changed at 9 pm now, Friday, not 7:30 on Thursday. Every Friday at 9 o'clock. And please like, subscribe, and share my videos as much as you can. And I have only 15 subscribers. Please help me to get more. And please tell me if I can do any improvement in my channel, or if you don't like Vikram Vetal, or you want any other stories, or you want any craft videos. Please tell me. Please tell me. It will help me a lot. Bye bye. Sweet dreams. See you soon and keep on watching Vikram Vetal.